going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace a license plate light bulb on a Ford F150. So the first thing you need is a flathead screwdriver, and then what you want to do is remove this piece over here. So you get the flathead screwdriver, and what you do is there's like a little spot in there for the screwdriver to fit in. So you put the screwdriver in, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the screwdriver in this glove and then put it in there. I don't want to leave any scratches or anything on the plastic there. So the screwdriver goes in just like that, fits in, and then you push it towards the truck, towards the plastic, and it just pops out just like that, and then you could take it off with your hand, and then from there you could access the bulb. To access the bulb, what you want to do is just remove this cover, and to do that you just twist it and it opens up just like that, and then you could access the bulb. Done. Put this back on, and then turn it, and then locks into place, and that's it. And you put that back where you got it from, and that's it. That's how you change the bulb, and it's the same for the other side.